I'm Roger Sanchez, and welcome to my FaderPro Advanced DJ Techniques course. For those of you who've purchased my first course, thank you very, very much. This course is taking it deeper into the techniques of how to really step up your game as a technical DJ. One of the things I'd like to give you guys is a deeper insight into the technique of creating that live energy, that live transition, that live remix, that moment that separates you from everyone else. I'm also going to be getting into advanced pre-production techniques with Rekordbox, how to organize your music in a way that's very effective to the sets that you want to play, and also some new tips and tricks that Rekordbox has. One of the things I've learned over the years of playing and getting really technical with the CDJs is never to lose sight of how important it is to create that energy with the crowd. If I feel that I'm not getting the energetic reaction that I want, maybe it's time for me to change my approach with the tracks that I'm playing. Maybe it's time to layer a little bit more of percussive energy, or sometimes creating a gap by using an acapella or an effect. These dramatic moments used to be programmed on vinyl, and you kind of had to wait for them to happen. By using these techniques, I'm able to create these moments on the fly and really react in real time with my audience. And I think it's one of the things that has allowed me to continue elevating my game. So keeping it fresh, exciting each time is very important for me. And I'm able to do that by using a lot of these techniques.